Think of your favorite Bible story. What's it about? Now, did you focus on the plot or the theme? The plot is what happens in a story. The theme is the point of a story, the lesson it conveys. For example, Noah's Ark. The plot is that Noah obeys God's command to build an ark and saves his family from the flood. The lesson is that God is determined to do whatever it takes to restore his relationship with mankind. Every good story, every good piece of writing, every passage in the Bible has both. The problem is we've come to focus on the what level details, what happened or what was said in a passage, and oftentimes we miss that underlying lesson that God intends. The focus of looking intently is just that, to look intently at the Bible and see that underlying lesson. So we're not only informed by the details, we're transformed by that foundational truth. Do you want to see what happens when you read the good book like a good book? Subscribe to this channel.